So welcome back to the channel. Today we're back showing you some more amazing Amazon FBA deals which you can actually sell. So if you are new to Amazon or you're struggling to source your products, we think this video is going to help you out a lot, as we'll be showing you 5 Amazon FBA deals our team found in the month of November. Now these deals I'm going to be showing you are actually making over 5,000 profit every single month on Amazon. And you're probably wondering how we find these deals. Well, all of these deals get sent into our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals for free into our Discord for our customers, just to help give them some inspiration on where they should be looking and what they should be looking for. Now, quick disclaimer, these deals get seen by a lot of people, so please be aware they may get more saturated. So you may not want to buy these products, but you can find deals off of them, as a lot of them are for certain offers, or you can just use it to learn new websites to source your online arbitrage deals. Now this video isn't to make you think that sourcing products is easy, as finding deals is by far the hardest part about selling on Amazon. However, we do hope it gives you some great basics to help with your FBA sourcing. But that's enough about that. Let's get into some actual Amazon FBA products. And as always, we'll be running through all the profit figures at the end, so make sure to stick around until then. So this first deal I'm going to be showing you today is from Sainsbury's. So all of these deals are from the UK, but the concept works the same whether you're in the US, Canada, India, wherever it may be in the world. The first basics are we're buying for less than we're going to be selling it for. So this product here was this Starbucks Premium Toffee Nut Latte, which we could buy for £1.50 with a Nectar card. Now we're going to head over to Amazon, where we can see a pack of 2 is selling for £8.99. So that means our unit cost would be £3 each. So we'd get 2 of these and we combine them into a single unit to get our unit cost of £3. So buying for £3, selling for £8.99. So what does that actually mean for our profit? Well, let me show you. £2.62 profit, 82% return on investment, and that is after our fees as well. So our FBA fee, our referral fee, and also our shipping into Amazon. It's really not a bad profit, and this one had great sales, 63 all the way up to 177 sales a month. Only 4 other FBA sellers on this listing, and that's important because we don't want too much competition. So that means with them sales and that profit figure, this product's profit range is £165 a month all the way up to £463 a month. Now that profit range is for the whole listing. There's no guarantees we're going to sell every single one of them items, because it's going to be split between all the different sellers, and there's no guarantee that the price is going to stay at this price point. It may well drop, but that's just to give you an idea of the profit at the figures at this exact time, and all these figures are correct at the time of recording. Now let's move on to deal number 2, and this is from more of a wholesaler, but it's sort of a wholesaler slash retailer, because you can actually see all their prices. Most wholesalers will often have their prices hidden, but this one's from NDA Wholesale, and it's this bug dig kit, and it's this National Geographic dig kit which we can buy with that for £5.40. It is actually a pack of 6, but a unit cost is £5.40. So head over to Amazon, we can see it selling for £13 each. So buying for £5.40, selling for £13 each. Now let's run through the profit figures. £2.62 profit for every single one we sell. That is after fees. That gives us a 47% return on investment, which is the all-important metric, and sales of 63 to 87 times a month. So monthly revenue of 890 up to 1,100. So this product had great potential, not too much competition. Again, only 4 other FBA sellers. Running you through the profit range, that is 161 up to £191 a month for this whole item. And we hope this starts to paint a picture of just a pure variety of items you can actually sell on Amazon. There's so many different products which you can make profit on. You just need to know where to look. Now we have got the next deal coming up, but before we get into that, we just wanted to let you know about an exclusive discount code for Profitl for our YouTube viewers. We're going to make it pop up on the screen just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans. With Profitl as well, you do also get a 7-day money back guarantee, so you can try it without any risk. So please take that down if you are looking to save some money on your Profitl subscription. Now moving on to the next deal, and this one was a really good one, a really popular one, and it's from the toy website Smiths. Always great for online arbitrage, great for retail arbitrage as well, so going out to the shops. But this was a 3 for 2 offer, so usually it's £14.99, but with this offer it'd mean our unit cost would be £10 each. And this is what I mean about using offers to find other FBA products, because this is 3 for 2 on all creator product, and Smiths have quite a lot of these. There's definitely going to be other opportunity for items just like this. So with our unit cost of £10 each, on Amazon it sells for £22.75 each. So that would mean a 56% return on investment, £5.71 profit per unit. But look at these sales, 480 up to 750 a month. So it's a really popular item, and it's only going to get more popular as we get into Christmas. That means this whole listing's profit range is 2,700 all the way up to 4,200 every single month. So that means even if you don't spend that much time in a buy box, you really could earn decent money from this listing. So on to deal number 4, and this is another offer item. Always great this time of year, coming up to Christmas. There's always loads of offers on, and 3 for 2 is a great way of earning extra profit. This Monopoly Junior Edition on game is usually £11.98, but with our offer, that would bring our unit cost down to £7.98 each. So if we head over to Amazon, we can see this one's selling for £17.76. We're buying it for £7.98 and we're selling it for £17.76. Now running you through all the data on the Profitl extension again. Profit £3.71 for every single one we sell after all of our fees, giving us a return on investment of 45%. Not bad sales, 63 to 87 times a month, and 7 other FBA sellers on this listing. So a little bit more competition than the other ones we've looked at, but not bad overall. With that profit figure and them sales, that'll give us a potential profit of 233 all the way up to 322 every single month. So now we're moving on to our 5th and final deal, and this is another toy item. So this one is from the website Toys R Us. It's this Transformers toy which we can buy for £5.49, so this is actually half price at the moment. So if we head over to Amazon, we can see it sells for £14.99, so almost triple the price, which is just amazing. We know profit is going to be great on this item. So that means 78% return on investment, £4.40 profit per unit on every single one we sell. This is a slower seller, 8 to 15 times a month. It should increase on the run up to Christmas. There was a little bit more competition than we like as well, so 11 FBA sellers at the moment, but another deal with great potential. So there we have it, 5 more Amazon FBA deals you can actually sell. Between them 5 products, they had a profit range of 3,300 all the way up to 5,300, so just crazy profit. Of course, you're not going to earn all that profit, you're not going to be able to buy that much stock, you're going to have that competition, but we hope it shows just the pure potential of Amazon FBA. This is just 5 products we found, and we found so many more. There's thousands of deals out there every single week. Of course, you're going to have plenty of people you're competing against, but if you can think outside the box and you can leverage offers and discounts, it's a really great way to sell on Amazon. But that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please do hit that subscribe button. We post out Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday to our channel. Don't forget to check out the discount code in the description. But that's all for now. We'll see you in the next one.